Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me an email how you could do a stitch pattern for a text or a font. So we're just going to type out, let's type out font this time. Doesn't really matter. And you need to kind of do it in this order. Let's put it up here. Let's zoom in here. Now, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to break them apart with Control K. So I've got individual letters. I'm going to left click, right click a black outline. I'm going to go to arrange on them, convert them to a curve. Then right down here you see it's a hairline. We can make that hairline thicker, and we can change it right here with the line style. And I just added this line style. This is not one of the preset in Corel Draw. And how you change and add, I like this one. But if you ever want to make your own, you go to settings and slide this bar to where you want. It'll make them as far apart as you want. And then right here, you can take away or add. I mean, you could, let's do this right here. There's 5. We're going to skip 5 and do 5 more. Tell you what, we'll go 1 more. Skip 5 and do 5 more. And then I'm not going to add it. I'm going to replace what we've already done. And there's the difference. That looks pretty cool. So you can do a lot with this. This one ended up working pretty good. It's got some, you might want to change it a little bit closer. And I'm going to show you. We'll go here. Let's make it 3 points. Let's make it 4 points. Not going to really make it too much different. Let's change the, well, you know what? It didn't, I think I messed up. Let's go, let's make that one again. I did not add it, I replaced it. So we've gone 5, skip 5, go 5, skip 5. And instead of adding it, I'm going to replace it, so this font's going to change. That looks a little better. And for some reason, I guess I didn't press OK. Let's do that again. Sorry about that. Click right there, replace, hit OK. Now, there's your new line style. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.